So make sure that you have your textbook open to page 91. So this here is figure WXYZ. Notice the arrowheads indicating the lines that are parallel to each other. You're also going to see these little notches. Those are indicating the lines that are equal in length to one another. So it's saying that W shape or figure WXYZ is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. What's another name for this figure? Based on our knowledge of the characteristics of quadrilaterals, we know that another name for this figure is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 right angles, 2 pairs of parallel sides, and opposite sides of equal length. So, name each pair of perpendicular lines it's asking us. You'll remember from last week, perpendicular lines are lines that cross or intersect and create right angles. So, line WX and line WZ create a right angle. Lines WX and XY create a right angle. Lines XY and YZ create a right angle. Lines YZ and line ZW create a right angle. Now they want us to define the measurement of line YZ and ZW. Again, we know that a rectangle has opposite sides of equal length, so if this is 10, this is 10. If this is 3, this is 3. So line YZ has a measurement of 10 inches. Line ZW has a measurement of 3 inches. Let's keep going. Look at figure QRST. Is QRST a trapezoid? Why or why not? It is a trapezoid because we know a trapezoid has at least one pair of parallel sides. So the answer is yes. Is figure QRST a parallelogram? Why or why not? It is a parallelogram because we know a parallelogram has 2 pairs of sides of equal length and opposite sides that are parallel. So the answer is yes. Is QRST a rectangle? Why or why not? It is a rectangle because we know a rectangle has 4 right angles, 2 pairs of parallel sides, and opposite sides of equal length. So the answer is yes. Is figure QRST a rhombus? Why or why not? It is a rhombus because a rhombus has 2 pairs of parallel sides and opposite sides of equal length. So the answer is yes. Last one. What's another name for figure QRST? Well, QRST has 2 pairs of parallel sides, opposite sides of equal length, 4 right angles, and if you notice the notches, it has 4 sides of equal length. So another name for it, as you already know, is a square. Let's move on. This kind of takes us back to what we learned in our area and perimeter unit about the characteristics or qualities of quadrilaterals. Find the lengths of the unknown sides. Again, this is a rectangle. We know that a rectangle has opposite sides of equal length. If this is 8 inches, this is 8 inches. If this is 3 inches, this is 3 inches. So the measurement of line ZY is 8 inches. The measurement of line WZ is 3 inches. This is a parallelogram. A parallelogram also has opposite sides of equal length. So if this is 7, this is 7. So the measurement of line DC is 7 centimeters. Here's a rhombus. We know that a rhombus has 4 sides of equal length. If this is 2, this is 2. This is 2, this is 2. So the measurement of line TU is 2 feet. Here's a square. 4 right angles, 4 sides of equal length. If this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5. The measurement of line SR is 5 centimeters.